Yes, good morning to all of you. Today we are starting the partial fraction integration. So, yesterday problems continuation Nana. Integral of dx by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 is a first given fraction converting into partial fractions. I explained type 1 shortcut method. See this shortcut method. First one divided by x plus divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. In x, what value can take? We get 0. X equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0 in the remaining column fraction. 1 divided by 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2. Take the x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1. Substitute in the remaining term. 1 divided by minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2. Next, third one is x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 2. Substitute in the remaining term. 1 divided by minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So finally we get 0 plus 1 into 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 times of 1 by x. This is the 1 by minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 1 1. So minus 1 by x plus 1 plus minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 2. This value is 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now you have to do the integration. 1 divided by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx equal to integral of 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus into minus minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 times of 1 by x plus 2 dx. So this is the 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by x is log mod x minus this is the log mod x plus 1. 1 by 2 into log mod x plus 2 plus C is the answer. Copy it. Next question, integral of 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. First you can convert in the given fraction into partial fraction. 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to divide by x minus 1 plus divide by x plus 2 plus divide by x minus 3. X minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. That x equal to 1 you can substitute in the remaining fraction. 3 into 1 minus 2 by 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 3. Next, x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2. That x equal to minus 2 you have to substitute in the remaining fraction. Minus 2 substitute. 3 into minus 2 minus 2 by minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 3. Next, x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. That x equal to 3 you have to substitute in the remaining term. 3 times of 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 into 3 plus 2. So finally 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 is 1 divided by 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 1 by 6 into 1 by x minus 1. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 2, minus 8, minus 3, minus 5, minus 3 into minus 5, minus plus 15 into 1 by x plus 2. 9 minus 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 2 into 5, 10. into 1 by x minus 3. So finally this integration minus 1 by 6 into 1 by x minus 1 plus into minus 8 by 15 into 1 by x plus 2 plus 7 by 10 into 1 by x minus 3. So this is the value of 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 value. Now you have to do the integration 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 dx equal to integral of this total minus 1 by 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 8 by 15 into 1 by x plus 2 plus 7 by 10 into 1 by x minus 3 dx. So that is a minus 1 by 6 into 1 by ax plus b is log mod x minus 1. This is a log mod x minus 1 integration. Minus 8 by 15 into log mod x plus 2 plus 7 by 10 into log mod x minus 3 plus c is the answer. Copy it. Next question, 1 by integral 1 by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. First given fraction converting into partial fractions. That is a 1 by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. Denominator contain 3 linear factors. Like this you have to write x minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c. In x minus a, if we take x equal to a, we get 0. X minus a x plus a bette 0 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి దాన్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి రిమైనింగ్ దానిలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. సో 1 divided by 1 upon a minus b into a minus c. Next x minus b equal to 0. Then obviously x equal to b. Substitute x equal to b in the remaining term. So we get 1 by 1 upon b minus a into b minus c. Next x minus c equal to 0. Then x equal to c. Substitute in the remaining term. 1 upon c minus a into c minus b. So finally you have 1 by a minus b into a minus c into 1 by x minus a plus 1 by b minus c into b minus c into 1 by x minus b plus 1 by c minus a into c minus b into 1 by x minus c. Now you can do the integration. Integral 1 by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c dx equal to integral of 1 by a minus b into a minus c into 1 by x minus c plus 1 by b minus a into b minus c into 1 by x minus b plus 1 by c minus a into c minus b into 1 by x minus c dx. Integral 1 by x is log mod x. So this constant into integral 1 by x form. So there is 1 by a minus b into a minus c log mod x minus a. Similarly this is a constant, this total term 1 by b minus a into b minus c log mod x minus b. Similarly this is also constant 1 by c minus a into c minus b. 1 by x is a log mod x minus c plus c. Okay, copy it. Coming to next question. Integral of 1 by x square plus a square into x square plus b square. So these type of questions, both terms contain x square nana. These two are not a linear factors. It both linear factors kadandi, but you can do the shortcut method is applicable to this one. X square plus a square equal to 0. Then x square equal to minus a square. Both connect with the x square, so you can go procedure. This procedure you can have to go. Both contain x square ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ ప్రొసీజర్ లో చేసుకోండి. x square plus a square equal to 0 తీసుకుంటే x square equal to minus a square వస్తుంది. దాన్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి రిమైన్ టర్మ్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. x అయితే x square plus a square కాకుండా రిమైన్ టర్మ్ లో 1 by in place of x square you have to substitute the minus a square. Minus a square plus b square. Next, you can take x square plus b square equal to 0. Then x square is what? Minus b square. That x square equal to minus b square you have to substitute in the remaining term. 1 by minus b square plus a square. So, in the second term, minus common in the denominator. So, this is the 1 by b square minus a square into 1 by x square plus a square. In the denominator minus common, 1 by minus common b square minus a square into 1 by x square plus b square. So finally 1 by b square minus a square take outside. B square minus a square taken outside. 1 by x square plus a square plus divided by plus by minus minus 1 by x square plus b square. The value of 1 by x square plus a square into x square plus b square. Now can do the integration. Integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square into x square plus b square dx. Constant you can write outside 1 by b square minus a square into integral of 1 by x square plus a square minus 1 by x square plus b square at dx. What is integral of 1 by a square plus square formula? Integral of 1 divided by a square plus x square dx. If you know the formula, 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So apply the both. You have to apply 1 by b square minus a square into 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a minus this, the apply the formula 1 by b into tan inverse of x by b plus c. After completion of integration, you can add the plus c. Copy it. Coming to type 2 Nana. Yes, type 2 problems. Type 1 I explained, denominator contain the non-repeated reducible linear factors. Denominator contain the non-repeated reducible linear factors. Coming to type 2, f of x by g of x in the given fraction, f polynomial, given fraction, f rational polynomial, f of x by g of x, that g of x not equal to 0 contains non-repeated and repeated reducible linear factors. Non-repeated and repeated reducible linear factors. Type 1 lo only non-repeated reducible linear factors nana. Second one lo, second type lo non-repeated and repeated reducible linear factors. For example, like this is there, px plus q by a1x plus b1 into a2x plus b2 whole square is there. So you can take this fraction as px plus q by this capital A divided by first polynomial a1x plus b1 plus capital B divided by a2x plus b2, you can take the one time, plus c by, this is repeated by two times, so a2x plus b2 whole square. By this way you have to do the partial fraction. Find the values of capital A and B and C and replace on the given equation and replace in the, and after that you can do the integration. This everything will come in the partial fractions nana. Partial fractions lo vastunda meeku idantha. Ee given fraction you can take as capital A by first polynomial తీసుకోండి, capital B by a2x plus b2 ఇక్కడ repeated by two times ఉంది కానీ but one time తీసుకోండి, plus c by a2x plus b2 whole square. In case if it is given like this, px plus q by a1x plus b1 into a2x plus b2 whole cube is there, then you can take capital A by a1x plus b1, capital B by a2x plus b2 one time, plus c by a2x plus b2 whole square, plus d by a2x plus b2 whole cube, we can take it. After that take the LCM and find the values of capital A, B, C, D. After getting the values of A, B, C, D, replace on this equation. Then you can do the integration. Then you have to do the integration. This is a type 2 model, Anna. Shall I explain the problem type 2? Okay, see this one. Copy the notes. Integral of x square by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. See, in the denominator x plus 2 repeated by how many times? 2 times. So you can take like this, you can go first procedure. A by first x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 one time plus c by x plus 2 whole square. See the procedure. First a given fraction, rational fraction converting into partial fractions. Then you can do the home integration. So given x square by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. Let a divided by first polynomial x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 one time plus c by x plus 2 whole square, you can take it. This is called 1. Take the LCM. X plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. So left side you have x square by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. A divided by x plus 1. So remaining x plus 2 whole square goes to numerator. B divided by x plus 2 is a, remaining x plus 2 goes to numerator. X plus 2 into x plus 1 plus c into x plus 1 will get. Now both denominator can cancel. See the procedure to find the partial fraction. Partial fractions ela convert chestunamo. You can see the procedure. Then after that you can copy that. A into x plus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 1. This is called the 3 or 2. Now our aim to find the a, b, c values. Put x equal to, see here x plus 2 is there. X plus 2 equal to 0. What will get x equal to? Minus 2. X equal to minus 2, substitute in the equation 2. Put x equal to minus 2 into. So then that becomes a minus 2 whole square. X equal to minus 2 means x plus 2 equal to 0. 0 square. B into minus 2 plus 1 into 0. B into 0 plus c into minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 whole square 4 equal to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into c is minus c. But in place c equal to minus 4 is the answer. Next, what is the c quotient you have? Now we got the c. Next, eliminate c. What is the c quotient you have? X plus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1 into equal to minus 1 into, we have to substitute. Then this becomes a minus 1 whole square, a into minus 1 plus 2 whole square. X equal to minus 1 means x plus 1 equal to 0, b into 0 plus c into 0. Minus 1 whole square is 1 equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into a is a. You got a value and c value. Next you have to find the value of b, excluding minus 2 and minus 1. You can take the other values. Suppose like x equal to 0, you have to take it. Put x equal to 0. Obviously get 0 square into 0 square, a into 0 plus 2 whole square, b into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 plus c into 0 plus 1. So 2 square 4a, 2b plus c equal to 0. Substitute the a and c value on the equation, we get the value of b. A value 1, c value minus 4. 4 into 1 plus 2b minus 4 equal to 0. 4 into 1, 4 get cancelled. That implies b equal to 0. Substitute a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 4 in equation 1. So 1 implies x square by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square equal to a value is what? 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 0 by x plus 2, c value minus 4 by x plus 2 whole square. So finally got it, 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 4 by x plus 2 whole square. This is x square by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square value. So finally we get, now you can do the integration. Integral of x square by integral of x square divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square dx equal to integral of 1 by x plus 1 minus 4 by x plus 2 whole square dx. This can be written as integral of 1 by x plus 1 dx minus 4 take outside, x plus 2 whole square taken numerator, that becomes the x plus 2 whole power minus 2 for dx. So integral of 1 by x is log mod x plus 1 minus 4 into integral of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is x plus 2 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus 2 plus 1 is a minus 1. So minus 1 by x plus 2, this becomes a log mod x plus 1 minus 1 minus by minus plus 4 by x plus 2 plus c is the answer. Copy it. Very important model for 7 marks. Next question, integral of 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. First, given rational fraction converting into partial fractions. After that, you have to do the integration. Now coming to denominator contain the repeated and non-repeated linear factors x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. So you can take a divided by repeated factor one time of x minus 1 plus b divided by 2 times you have to take x minus 1 whole square. Now coming to remaining non-repeated factor x plus 2. This is called 1. Take the LCM right side, x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. First a divided by x minus 1 is a, remaining one more x minus 1 goes to numerator, a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 you have, plus b divided by x minus 1 whole square, so remaining x plus 2 goes to numerator, plus c into x minus 1 whole square. Left side you have 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. Both denominators you have to cancel it. We get 7x minus 4 equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b times of x plus 2 plus c times of x minus 1 whole square. This is the 2. Now you can find the values of a, b, c. Put x equal to 1 into, so we get 7 into 1 minus 4 equal to a into 1 minus 1 0, 0 into something 0, plus b into 1 plus 2 plus c into 1 minus 1 0 have. So that is 3b equal to 7 minus 4 3, 7 minus 4 is the 3, a into 0 0, c into 0 0, 3 into b. That implies b equal to 3 by 3, value is 1. Next put x equal to minus 2 into, so 7 into 2 minus 4 equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 0 and something 0 plus b into 0 plus c into minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So obviously 14 minus 4, 14 minus 4 is what? How much? 10 equal to 0 plus 0 minus 3 whole square is 9c. That means c equal to 10 by 9. C equal to how? 10 by 9. Next you can find the, you got now b and c. Now you can find the value of a. Same concept, now put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Once again small mistake only. X equal to minus 2 is taken, so minus 2 here, so minus 2 means minus 14 minus 14 minus 4 minus 18 we have, so minus 18, c equal to minus 18 by 9, that is the minus 2 we get, c equal to minus 2. Okay, now you have to find the value of b. Put x equal to 0 into, put x equal to 0 into, so x equal to 0 you have to take 7 into 0, 0 minus 4 x equal to 0 you can take it, 7 into 0, 7 into 0, 0 minus 4 a into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 2 plus b into 0 plus 2 plus c into 0 minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 into plus 2, minus 4 equal to minus 2a plus 2b plus c. What is the value of a? B 1. C value is minus 2. So minus 4 equal to minus 2a plus 2 times of b value is 1. C value is minus 2. So minus 2a equal to minus 4, obviously a equal to have 2. A equal to have 2. Now we got a value, b value, c value. Equation 1 implies 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. What is the a value have? 2. 2 by x minus 1. What is the b value have? 1. 1 by x minus 1 whole square. C value is minus 2. Plus into minus 2 by x plus 2. Now you can do the integration. Integral of 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 dx equal to, substitute the 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 value. That is 2 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 2 dx. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x. So this can be done as 2 times of 1 by x minus 1 dx plus x minus 1 whole square taken numerator. For applying the formula of x power n formula, apply it and numerator this minus 2 times of 1 by x plus 2 dx. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x. 2 times of log mod x minus 1. It is in the form of x power n. What is x power n formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is x minus 1 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 times of log mod x plus 2 plus c. So finally 2 times of log mod x minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is a minus 1 plus by minus 1 by x minus 1. Minus 2 times of log mod x plus 2 plus c is the answer. Copy it. Next question, integral of 2x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 2 whole square. Last problem in the type 2. Type 2 last problem only. Now you can see this is the 2x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 2 whole square. You can take as a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 2 one time plus c by x minus 2 whole square 2 times. This is called 1. Take the LCM. 2x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 2 whole square equal to LCM x plus 3 into x minus 2 whole square. So a times of x minus 2 whole square plus b divided by 1 time of x minus 2 is a. So x plus 3 into x minus 2 plus c times of x plus 3 have. Both the denominator get cancelled. We get remaining have 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to a times of x minus 2 whole square b times of x plus 3 into x minus 2 plus c times of x plus 3. This is called the equation 2. So x equal to x minus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2 into. So x equal to 2 means 2 times of 2 square 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to a times of 0 2 minus 2 0 plus 0 plus 3 into 2 minus 2 0 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 2 0 here plus c times of 2 plus 3. That means 2 plus 3 is a 5c equal to 8 10 11. That means c equal to 11 by 5. C equal to have 11 divided by 5. Next you can find the value of A and B. Next you have to find the value of A and B. A and B have to find. So you got the C value. What is C quotient you have? My x plus 3. X plus 3 equal to 0. Then obviously x equal to minus 3. Put x equal to minus 3. into, so 2 into minus 3 whole square 9 minus 3 plus 1 equal to a into minus 3 minus 2 whole square b into 0 plus c into 0. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 whole square is 25a. 18 minus 3 plus 1. 19 minus 3 16. Then obviously a equal to 16 by 25. Now you have to find the value of b. Value of b, how to find it? Put x equal to 0. Into, we get 2 into 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1 equal to a into 0 minus 2 whole square, b into 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 2 plus c into 0 plus 3. So there is a 1 equal to 4a minus 6b plus 3c. What is the a value here? 16 by 25. C value here 11 by 5. Substitute on that. 1 equal to 4 into 16 by 25 minus 6b plus 3 times of 11 by 5. Now 6b equal to 64 by 25 plus 33 by 5 minus 1, 25 LCM, 64 plus 5, 33 ja, 15, 165 minus 25. So do the calculation. 204 by 25 will get. Two not 4 by 25. So b value is finally 6b equal to 204 by 25. Cancellation, b equal to 6 3 is 18, 6 1 is 6 4, 34 by 25. Substitute a value, b value, c value in the equation 1. What is a value here? 25, b equal to 34 by 25 and c equal to 11 by 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes 2x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 2 whole square equal to 16 by 25 into 1 by x plus 3 plus b value is 34 by 25 into 1 by x minus 2, 11 by 5 into 1 by x minus 2 whole square. So this is finally how 16 by 25 into 1 by x plus 3. Directly you can do the integration. Integral of 2x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 2 whole square equal to, I will do the separately, I am writing 16 by 25 into integral of 1 by x plus 3 dx. Separately I am writing 16 by 25 integral of 1 by x plus 3 dx plus 34 by 25 integral of 1 by x minus 2 dx plus 11 by 5 x minus 2 whole square taken numerator x minus 2 whole power minus 2 dx. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x, that is 16 by 25 into log mod x plus 3, 34 by 25 into log mod x minus 2, 11 by 5. Integral of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That means x minus 2 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c will get. Minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. X minus 2 whole power minus 1 by minus 1. Then finally we get minus 1 denominator plus by minus minus plus divided by minus minus 1 by x minus 2. That means minus 11 by 5 into 1 by x minus 2, we'll get that integration plus c. This is the answer, Nana. Type 2 integration, 3 problems in the exercise. In this exercise, you have type 2 based on 3 problems you have. Next I will solve the type 3 partial fraction integration. Type 3 and type 4.